On your block now in Oakland County, where first responders are taking a unique approach to help those struggling with opioid addiction. CBS News Detroit's Alicia Bergio is in Birmingham with a look at a new program aimed at saving lives.
Birmingham Fire Chief Paul Wells tells me a few years ago, a young man battling a drug addiction got clean, but shortly after relapsed and died from a drug overdose. It's tragic situations like this that prompted his department to take action so those struggling can get the help they need before it's too late. Inside each rig at the Birmingham Fire Department off Adams Road,
so we have the Narcan or naloxone.
Sits a case with kits filled with free resources if first responders get a call for an overdose.
These kits are meant to be left behind for someone who had an opioid emergency.
Fire Chief Paul Wells says the kits, part of a new program in Birmingham in collaboration with Oakland County to prevent future overdoses and connect those struggling with substance abuse with tools to make recovery a reality.
I want to save a life here. So if this program over the next 10 years saves one person, one father, one mother, one child, we've accomplished that goal.
Inside each kit, 2 doses of naloxone, an opioid overdose reversal medication, pamphlets and numbers on where to seek help, and steps on how to use Narcan. Resources given to the victims, family, or friends at the end of an emergency call.
We don't want to just save them for that moment. We want to save them in their lives.
Chief Wells says the program is not just for people dealing with drug addiction.
They're also meant to be left behind for someone who maybe was prescribed opioids after a major surgery, or maybe had a teenager at home that is going through a hard time, maybe experimenting with drugs or alcohol. But really for anyone that has a need for naloxone.
Another step taken in Oakland County to save lives. And though addiction isn't as prevalent in the city as others, Chief Wells hopes to be a leader in prevention.
The goal of this program is to spread the program to other departments. I'm hoping this program takes off and these kits are more readily available.
In addition to these resources, after an emergency, victims of an overdose are given access to a mental health expert to help kick their addiction once and for all. In Birmingham, Alicia Bergio, CBS News Detroit.